Hi, have you ever wondered how you could quickly resize your artboard to the size of your object? And when you normally change the artboard size manually, like so, you run into uh, problem of having extra space around your object, which is not very professional when you deliver your assets to someone else. Or you may cut into, that's even worse. And when you export it, you realize that some images cut off. Um, and this is a good way to be very precise when you export it. The size of the artboard matches to the object. When you embed it into a web page, for example, so you have a more precise layout control for one, and that also goes for logos that you create. And when you export it, you want the artboard to be exactly around the logo. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to quickly do that now. What you do is select your object and select the Artboard tool and change the drop-down menu to fit to selected art. And voila, there you have it. And you could export now as a SVG file to be embedded into a web page and your logo uh, just like so. And it's perfectly size of the object, and it'll make you much more professional. Yeah, that's for the tip of the day. If you like this types of tutorial, please subscribe and like, and then I'll make more. Thank you very much.